Today is 2015, 5th of April, Sunday. This is the video. This is the entrance. At the right hand side is a bathroom, brand new bathroom. Got a shower, basin, toilet. Also have a washing machine as well. Quite a modern bathroom, just brand new, haven't been used. Here is the living room, quite big, with the open kitchen, which is brand new as well. Here is the outside little garden, also at the entrance got the backyard as well. You can have a look at the backyard. Quite nice little yard. Here you can put your clothes here. Once again, this is the entrance, toilet. So this is the first bedroom, which is quite big, brand new as well, and a nice Italian marble tile. The window here, which you can see the backyard. Here is a built-in wardrobe. Quite big, the built-in wardrobe. Here we go to the living room. So now you can go to the second bedroom. Everything brand new, fresh paint, and got a wardrobe as well. This is the window. Now we go back to the living room. Brand new kitchen, very modern. The exhaust fan is very strong one. It's a perfect one. From here you can go to the front yard. Quite a little driveway. It's like that. This is the main entrance. From the main entrance, you walk from here. And this is the living room. A little yard. There's a little shell here. For the rainy day, you think that's really good for you. This is the entrance.